Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with an exciting video today. I got my boho kits from Salena at AmourFabriques, and I'm I'm totally filming at a weird angle. I'm sorry about that. I did several craft with me's today, and I ran my phone out of battery, so I've got it plugged in and it's sort of hanging from the tripod, and it's really a weird angle, but I'm going to stand up anyway so that I can show you things, close up like that. So here's the deal that I want to tell you about these kits. So these boho kits that Salena has put together are completely awesome. And I'm so excited because I had such fun doing my last boho journal, and I know that I'm going to have a lot of fun with these goodies. The thing is Salena had like 31 kits of these made up, and boom, they were gone as soon as she listed them. So what's so incredible is she is going to do 10 kits for my viewers so that you guys can see this video today, and within 9 or 10 days she will have 10 more kits made that will be very similar to what you're going to see here today, okay? So I'm going to get this done quickly. I've got another video uploading on my computer, and I want to get this uploaded, so I'm going to try and keep it within 15 minutes. So first thing here is some buttons on a little piece of fabric. She's just got them on there with a needle. And so, you can use the fabric behind, and you can use the buttons in your boho kit. Let's see if I'm just going to pop this off of the staples. So cute how she did this sack. It's just super cute. I got to take that apart and figure out how she did that. And inside the bag here, of course, there's this great trim on the outside, which will be used as well. Oh, and then these are the tassel kits. So shout out to Julie, and she is Jules Journals, and she put together the kit for the tassels for Salena. And then Kristen at Rock Paper Treasure, she put together a pocket. So you get the beads here, it looks like. You even get wire and some awesome beads, and then just a bunch of fun scraps of fabric and all to make your own tassel. So that's going to be fun. I can't wait to do that. And then this little bag has a lot of goodies in it. This has a lot of paper goodies in it. So, good stuff for your journals. So the kits that Salena makes up will be similar, not exactly like this, of course. So we've got a really cool postcard, a password with some trim on the top, a couple of stamps, a playing card, a little packet of paper, and then this little doily knitting piece of paper, and then this cool card. That's really pretty. And then we've got some music paper, another card, another little snippet of fabric that she's used to clip things on, some recipe stuff, some ledger paper, again a card. So lots of fun things to pop within your journal too. So that's all in that bag. And then, oh yay, here is Kristen's pocket. Love that. see that? Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, she did a great job on all of it. She had a lot to make, and now she has 10 more because Selena's kindly making these available to you guys. I'm so grateful to her for looking out for my friends. Then there's this fabulous piece here that will just make a gorgeous journal cover. Oh my gosh. It's nice and thick. It's on, it's like a hand-stitched quilt is what it is. And then I wish you could see these fabrics live. They're just gorgeous. I'm so excited to play with this. And then the rest of this box, I have 2 boxes here, but the rest of this box has fabrics and stuff in it. So I'll move the box and get started on that. So there's a lot of these little applique things. Guys, I hope the light is such that you can see that. I'm so bummed that I used up all my battery, but I think you're able to see. So this one, so I'm just going to flip through these so you can kind of just see what all is in here. Oh, you guys, this is just a box full of lusciousness is what this is. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. So pretty. So pretty. Then some trim. This is working out great though, having my camera where I can kind of reach right in front of it. This is interesting. This is almost a woolish type, but can you see it's got like little tassels on it? That's really cool. There's more than enough here to make some amazing pockets and flips and whatever you might want in your journal. So this is gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. So this beautiful silky fabric there. Ooh, would you look at that? How yummy is that? If I get my arm out of the way, you can see it better. Wow, wow, wow. Some of these fabrics, I just can't even believe. Look at this one with the beads sewn in. So beautiful. And this looks like this is a little snippet piece from it, but that will make such a fun little tag or something. Oh, so fun. This one again has beads. And here's a little snippet of the bottom of that one, I think. Oh, boy, this is going to be so much fun to play with. Look at that. I mean, these fabrics are just fabulous. Oh, wow, wow, wow. This is so cool. Look at this. It's got the dangles, and then look at that. Pink and turquoise. I love that one. Holy cow. Then there's trim here. And some more beading. Gold on gold. That's gorgeous. This is a fun little tri fabric piece. There's that one with the sequins. Another little piece of trim. So Salena told me to tell you your kits would be very similar to what I'm showing you here today. So Salena, thank you for making some more available for my subbies. I'm grateful for that because I wanted to show this kit and I, wanted them to maybe be able to get some of the goodies too, you know. It's just I'll make a fun pocket. Some more of the trim. Oh, you guys, this is gorgeous. Holy buckets. Look at that. Oof. That is just beautiful. Oh, and this is, I mean, ooh and ah. That's what I'm doing is oohing and ahhing. Look at that. Just incredible. I don't know where Salena came across all these goodies, but they are fabulous. Ooh, this is a cute little trim. Look at that. Be fun. On a pocket. Look. Already putting it together in my head. Ooh, except I might like it on here. Look at that. How fun is that with the trim? Oh my gosh. Then this one, black one, and then this pretty blue one. And wait, there's more. There's a whole nother box here. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. This other box is another kit that I ordered from Salena. So I'm going to do a separate video on that. So you guys, this is what you'll get in the kits from Salena, and it's so reasonably priced. You guys are going to love it. So after this video, 9 to 10 days for Salena to put together the kits, and for Julie and Kristen to make their parts, and then they'll be in Salena's shop. So go check her out. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Salena, for making these kits available to my subbies. I'm so grateful. We will see you with the next video, and I'll show you the other kit that I got from Salena. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Have a boho day. Bye.